Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about turmeric, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with turmeric. So if you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the way of protein foods, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, lamb, lentils, nuts and seeds in general, peanuts, peas, and tofu. In the way of vegetables, there's carrots, cauliflower, chilies, garlic, ginger, greens, kohlrabi, okra, onions, potatoes, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, as in winter squash, sweet potatoes, and root vegetables in general. In the way of fruits, turmeric goes well with avocados, coconuts, cranberries, currants, lemon, lime, raisins, and tamarind. In the way of grains and grain products, there's grains in general, noodles, quinoa, and rice. In dairy and non-dairy foods, there's coconut milk and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's oil, especially olive oil, and sugar, especially brown sugar. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.